In this video, we will show you how to replace your front cup holders on this Ford Ranger. This will be located in your passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Carefully take hold of the cup holder assembly and lift it straight up and away. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new cup holder. Looking along the back side of the cup holder assembly, you're going to find that you have two small ports. And if you were to look at the seat, you'll find that you have two areas for those ports to slide onto. Let's align this and then press it down into position. Press it in, listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secure. All right, once you have it completely secured, go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.